Are you looking for the top 5 best award-winning cleaners every homeowner needs in 2026? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the 5 best award-winning cleaners on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. iRobot Roomba E5 5150 Robot Vacuum. Powerful performance and powerful pickup. Pulls in stubborn dirt and messes with a premium 3-stage cleaning system and 5x the power lifting suction. Control how you clean with the iRobot Home app or your voice assistant. Ideal for homes with pets. Unique dual multi-surface rubber brushes don't get tangled with pet hair. Brushes adjust and flex to stay in constant contact with carpets and hard floors. High-efficiency filter traps 99% of cat and dog dander allergens. Learns your life listens to your voice. Learns your cleaning habits to offer up personalized schedules, while Google Assistant and Alexa allow you to start cleaning with just the sound of your voice. Adaptive navigation. A full suite of advanced sensors allow Roomba to navigate under and around furniture and along edges. Cliff Detect keeps it from falling downstairs. Senses and eliminates dirt. Dirt Detect sensors alert your robot about dirtier areas of your home, like high traffic spots, and cleans them more thoroughly. Clean floors every day. Provides a system of cleaning features and smart sensors that allow the robot to adjust to your unique home and deliver a daily clean. iRobot does not certify the quality or authenticity of products purchased from non-authorized resellers and will not cover claims, provide service, or offer replacements for products purchased from these sellers. Number 2. Shark Navigator Liftaway Professional NV356E. Powerful suction for carpet and hard floors. Clean carpets and hardwood floors with strong multi-surface suction. This lightweight upright vacuum cleaner lifts dirt, debris, and pet hair for a complete home clean. Lift-away functionality for above-floor cleaning. Detach the pod to clean stairs, furniture, and more. Attach the dusting brush or crevice tool to clean dust and debris from upholstery, baseboards, curtains, blinds, and other surfaces. Perfect for pet hair cleanup. Powerful suction removes pet hair, dander, and debris from carpets, upholstery, and stairs. Ideal for homes with pets. HEPA filter with anti-allergen complete seal. Advanced HEPA vacuum technology traps 99.9% asterisk of dust and allergens asterisk asterisk. Asterisk based on ASTM F1977, 0.3 microns plus. Tested by IBR Laboratories per ASTM F1977-22 standard test method of a vacuum cleaner system, 2024. Allergens refer to non-living matter. Swivel steering for easy maneuverability. Navigate tight spaces, corners, and around furniture with ease using smooth swivel steering for effortless control across floors. Number 3. Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner. Deep clean pet messes in minutes. Get more cleaning power with the Hoover PowerDash Pet, designed to eliminate stubborn pet stains, odors, and everyday spills from carpets and upholstery. Perfect for pet owners and busy families. Versatile whole home cleaning. Transform dirty carpets, high traffic areas, tight spaces, and area rugs. Antimicrobial power spin pet brush roll. Keeps the machine free from pet odors. Lightweight and compact. Featuring a lightweight and compact design, this portable carpet cleaner provides efficient cleaning power and easy storage. Ideal for apartments, condos, and RVs. Heat Force technology. Built with Heat Force technology for faster drying times, helping you enjoy clean, dry carpets in no time. Pair with Hoover Cleaning Solution. For a bright, refreshed home, use the PowerDash with a Hoover Carpet Shampoo Solution. Tackle pet messes with our pet formula or clean everyday stains with our everyday solutions. Sample solution included. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Handheld Vacuum. Tackle messes of all sizes with a BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Advanced Clean Plus Handheld Cordless Vacuum. Powered by a built-in 20V Max asterisk lithium-ion rechargeable battery, the Advanced Clean Plus Handheld Cordless Vacuum can easily clean dirt and debris in high traffic areas around the house and works great on your car interior. 2. Extend our longest ever built-in crevice tool to vacuum in hard to reach places and dial between 2 speeds depending on the surface you're cleaning. Conveniently clean area rugs, carpeted stairs, hardwood, tiles, marble, furniture upholstery, and more. The high-capacity 750 milliliters dustbin means you can clean for longer without stopping to empty the dustbin, and a battery indicator light lets you know how much charge you have left. For deep cleans and everyday messes, the 20V Max Asterisk Advanced Clean Plus Hand Vacuum has the power to get the job done. Number 5. Shark Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System Steam Mop. The Shark Genius Steam Pocket Mop is our most advanced and easiest to use steam mop, making it a top choice for anyone looking for a reliable steam cleaner for home. Whether you're handling everyday quick cleanups or whole room deep cleaning, this powerful steam cleaner offers the perfect solution. Designed as an effective steamer for cleaning, it's part of a new generation of steam mops for floor cleaning and is among the best mops for floor cleaning available. With its 3-setting electronic intelligent steam control, you can tailor the ideal amount of steam to every situation. Great for tile, laminate, and hardwood. It also features steam blaster technology, delivering a concentrated burst of steam to tackle stuck-on messes quickly and effortlessly, making it a versatile hardwood floor steam cleaner.